See this guy? He's been trying to gain muscle for months, but nothing changes. And today, I'm going to show exactly why his body refuses to grow, and how we can fix it in a way he's never tried before. By the end of this video, he'll understand everything. First, he isn't weak because he doesn't go to the gym. He's weak because his body is not in a muscle-building mode. Let me show you what's happening inside. These are his muscle fibers. Every workout creates tiny micro tears, but his body doesn't repair them fast enough. And if your body can't repair muscle, you can't grow muscle, ever. Reason number 1, low protein. He barely eats any protein. Without protein, your body literally has no raw material to build muscle. Even if he works out daily, his body has nothing to rebuild with. For his body weight, he needs at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Simple, not complicated. Reason number 2, not eating enough calories. He burns more calories than he eats. This puts his body in a survival mode, not growth mode. He needs to add just 300 extra calories a day. 1 banana plus peanut butter, 1 cup rice, 1 protein shake. This alone will start muscle growth. Reason number 3, wrong exercises. He only does small exercises. Curls, crunches, random reps. These don't trigger full muscle growth. 3 exercises to build maximum muscle. 1. Push-ups. 2. Squats. 3. Pull-ups or rows. These 3 movements use the biggest muscles in the body. Do them consistently, and the body has no choice but to grow. Reason number 4, bad recovery. He sleeps at 2 a.m. Terrible idea. Muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when he sleeps. He needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep to release growth hormones. Reason number 5, stress hormones. High stress destroys appetite, reduces testosterone, and blocks muscle growth. Hydration, simple walking, breathing exercises. Transformation plan. Here's the simple 30-day plan I'm giving him. Daily. Eat 1 gram protein per pound. Add 300 extra calories. Do 3 exercises. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Drink enough water. Nothing crazy. No gym membership. No fancy diet. If he follows this plan, his body will finally enter a muscle-building mode. Skinny guys don't stay skinny if they feed their body the right way. And if you want the same transformation, you already know what to do.